Hi Bonkers, it's Anna. Today I've decided to make an activity for our Montessori language shelf. And we can use this either for the monkeys or for the toucans or even for the kinder. It depends on which you would like to do, because with this activity you can do different extensions. So for the monkeys room, for the little ones, I would just use the actual mat that I've made. It's just made of cardboard, and I've glued some felt shapes. And this game is called Montessori sound game, where I would introduce the initial sounds. So I would just show the monkeys and say ice cream, monkey, flower, crab, whale, tiger. So they get familiar with the sounds. For the toucans or kinder, you can use the actual letters and you can say, I spy with my little eyes something beginning with T, T, T. And the children will find the letter T or the T sound and place it next to the tiger. I spy with my little eyes something beginning with B, B, B. Butterfly. It's important also for the little ones that you say the initial sound. Monkey, monkey. T, T, T. Tiger, tiger. Well, I hope you enjoyed this activity, and I'll see you all tomorrow.